Okay, today is the day for carpet cleaning and getting rid of those carpet wrinkles. And here is our guy, Adam. Hey, Adam, say hello to my viewers.
How you doing?
He's getting all the equipment out and we'll meet him inside. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if this is your first time visiting the channel. My name is Courtney and I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, everything lifestyle, and if you enjoy this type of content, this is the channel for you. Today I'm having some work done on the house to help us get ready to sell it. I have wrinkles in the carpet, very unattractive. So Adam is here from Carpet Masters to get the job done. I'm also having the whole carpet cleaned through the entire house. And oh no, no, we cannot stop there. We are getting the garage completed today. So make sure you watch all the way till the end so you can see all the projects we are doing around the house. I'm coming down the hallway and you can see these wrinkled areas in the carpet, and this is what he's here to fix. So what I showed you downstairs, I didn't show you the wrinkles beforehand, but here I'm showing you the wrinkles so you can really see what he's doing. At that.
What are we looking for?
Wrinkles are gone.
What you're looking for is, if you guys ever get carpet installed again, where you're going, there's a simple way to test it if they've actually power stretched. They're supposed to use the power stretcher. They don't. That's why this wrinkles. Okay. So I stretched it here now. I pick up on it.
Mm-hmm.
See like, bang. Snaps back.
Snaps back.
Come over to this room here. I know this is a wrinkle. Okay. When I pick up on this, see how it floats? If it doesn't have that snap, it's not tight.
I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. That is good to know. That is good to know. As you can see here, Adam has worked his magic and all of the carpet wrinkles are gone on the second floor. Now he's going to work a little magic downstairs on a burn we have on the landing. And as soon as you step in the house, so it's so obvious. Check out how he does this repair and makes it look so seamless. Yeah? Everything looking good, right? Beautiful. You did a great job, Adam. I think Adam did a fantastic job on the carpets. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. Today's video is in collaboration with my beautiful sisters of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Allie from Glam Elegant Living, our main host, gets us all together every season, and this season for fall, honey, we are blinging on the fall with co-hosts Creations by Simone, Design to a T, Tablescapes by Candy, Miriam's Creative Corner, Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist can be found in my description box below. So stay tuned while I get to work on the garage floor. This is what it's looking like in the garage. A hot, dirty mess. And as you can see, this is the original floor color and how dirty this floor is. And here again is the original floor color. So this floor is pretty disgusting. I still have the walls to paint here. And this side, I've already painted. We've moved the pool table from side to side. I still have to finish this edging right over here. But it's nice and white and bright on this side. Now let me get to the other side. All right. I'm not going to bore you to death with me standing here painting. I'll just show you what the finished look looks like. Okay? All right, here I go. Honey, when it rains, it pours. And I tell you, it was one repair after another. Or maybe it was a lot of things that we kept putting off that now have come to a head. So this area right here that Dee is repairing, it's because the spigot outside sprung a leak and it just wouldn't turn off. Water kept leaking from it all the time. So the contractor had to go in through the wall to repair the spigot outside, and then Dee is repairing the sheetrock inside. Now I'm going around the edge border and doing all the trim work and about a couple inches away from the edge. So that way it'll be easier for me to just go around and roll the midsection of the floor, if that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it's given you some ideas on how to prepare your house for a good sale, or how to get your house together in general, honey. Whichever one applies to you. I hope you've been inspired. If you liked today's video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to join the Amethyst Adventures family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.